Camp Mystic. My name's Brian Wasserman, and I've been honored and chosen to hold the Radical Collaboration pillar for this year's 2022 Burning Man. One of the things I'm most proud about is every year I participate in co-creating the container that we live at Camp Mystic. And I welcome anybody who wants to be part of our build process and creating the infrastructure for this year's 2022 Burning Man to register to be part of the Radical Collaboration team and the infrastructure team. And let's have a conversation of you helping us build the environment for everybody to enjoy at Burning Man. Can't wait to see everybody.